Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making grilled egg, ham, and cheese with onions and green onions with spinach. So let's get started. Set your burner to medium-low. Put a little bit of oil in the pan. Spread that around a little. Take your bread, put one in there, put another one in. Take your peanut butter jar lid, push down, make like a little pocket. Push down on this one, make a pocket. Just like that. Now we're going to crack 2 eggs in there. Here's one. Here's 2. And we'll break them up. Okay. And we get a little bit of the whites and spread it around. The egg white, just put it up on the edges. Like that. Now we're going to sprinkle it with a little bit of ham. Alright, we'll put a little bit of onion in. Chopped onion. This happens to be yellow onion. And now we're going to put a little bit of spinach leaves in there. Okay. Now we're going to cover that and let that cook a little bit. Alright, I think we can put a little more green onion in there. I can't remember if I put it in there or not. That happens. That's alright. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put this handle on. And we'll see if we can give him a flip. Alright, we'll cover that and let it cook for a minute. Okay, let's see how we did here. Okay. Now we're gonna add our ham. And our cheese. Just like that. And we could leave them that way and just cook them, but we're gonna put them together. Just like this. Oh yeah, that makes it, look at that sandwich coming up. Oh yeah. Alright, let's cover him up for a little bit. Let everything melt. Alright, let's see if we can flip that over. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Okay, now we're gonna let that melt good. It's almost done. Okay, I think our sandwich is done. Our grilled egg, ham, and cheese with onions, green onions, and spinach. Now how can you beat that? And there we have it. That's gonna be tasty. Oh yeah. Alright. I'll give you a closer look at that. And of course, to clean up your pan, just put a little bit of oil in and wipe it around. And you're ready for next time. Just like a non-stick pan. Only it's cast iron. 12-inch Lodge pan. Cast iron pan. I just love them. You get the proper seasoning on there, which doesn't take much. You just keep using it and wiping it out like I show you, and it'll last a long time. And if anything really does stick, you can clean it off and basically get it going again pretty easily. Okay, enough of the pan. Back to the sandwich. Man, does that look good or what? Let me give you a little closer look. Oh yeah, that looks good. Alright, let's see if we can cut into that. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh, wow. It's just, I can't, I gotta say it. There's another one for you. You talk about tasty. It's gonna be tasty. With those 2 eggs in there and all that, all them onions and green onions and spinach and yellow onion. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking. Look at it. It's all gooey. And the crust is nicely toasted. Perfect. You can't get any better than that, I don't think. Yeah, I just gotta have a little bite. Oh man. Oh, is that ever good? The ham in there. Oh yeah, is that perfect? You can't beat this. The taste is unbelievable. Okay guys, there you have it. grilled egg, ham, and cheese with onions, green onions, and spinach. And that's got 2 eggs in there. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah, you know what's going to happen to that sandwich, don't you? I'm going to have that going before I even clean up the kitchen. That sounds good.